Fake it till you make it, baby. Do not let anybody see that you're scared or that you're nervous, even if you're dying inside. And see, here's the thing. With confidence, faking it till you make it, that's actually a good thing. Unlike money, with confidence, it works differently. See, when you start faking your confidence in situations, when you start faking your confidence and keeping your composure consistently in situations that used to make you nervous, quickly, that fake confidence starts turning into real confidence when you realize there was nothing to be scared about in the first place. Today, boys, I'm going to show you 7 best ways to fake your confidence on the exterior so nobody can tell that you're nervous inside. Let's hop into it. Number 1, control your body. You want to keep all sorts of body spasms or nervous tics or moving or twitching at bay. See, when you're nervous, a lot of leg tapping, moving, and unnecessary kind of body spasm happen because you don't know what to do. You have all this energy and adrenaline running through you because you're so nervous. You need to learn how to control yourself. Relax. Slow down your movements. This control and composure, even if you're dying inside, makes it seem as if you're just super comfortable in any situation. Number 2, strong eye contact. This is the quickest way to tell if people are nervous or feel kind of shy. See, when you're talking to somebody, it doesn't matter who it is, you always want to look them in the eye. What you want to do if you feel too awkward looking at them in the eye is 2 different tricks. 1, you can look past them. I do this all the time when I'm in conversation. It's almost like a habit of mine where I'll be talking to you and then I'll look off to the side for a little bit and then I'll engage back because holding eye contact for 10 minutes straight is a little weird. Another thing you can do instead of looking past is what they call a triangle method. Now, this one I like to do only with women where you literally bounce your eyesight from one eye to another to their mouth and you're constantly just doing this the entire conversation, obviously a little bit slower, but what ends up happening is you keep that strong, confident eye contact and that deviation to the mouth and then back to the eyes. It's like a very subtle hint that you want to increase that sexual attraction, and if she's like savvy enough, she'll pick up on it. The best and ultimate way though is wear some sort of physical blocker. See, a lot of times it's the eye contact itself that makes you look down. You feel awkward. But if you can put on some sort of physical blocker, something that legit can hide your eyes behind, it'll make you feel more confident. It's almost like it makes you feel secure, which is why I absolutely love sunglasses. Boys, sunglasses is that one accessory for men that if you do not have, you're missing out on tons of potential. Potential of looking better because it structures your face, you look more stylish. Potential of actually looking more stylish, and also potential of coming across more confident. See, now you can hold eye contact, feel confident, and black shades also adds like this mysterious film behind you. It almost like sparks curiosity in people where they want to know more. Boys, I know the importance of frames, so much so that it is exactly why we dropped Jade Black and why this July 24th, the collection we were supposed to drop over a month ago, finally, we've been getting bombarded by DMs, but finally, we are dropping this July 24th at 10 a.m. Eastern, our new 4 designs for Jade Black. Yo, go to the site. Go to it. So many products sell out quick, and it's for one specific reason. When I design frames, I design them with the intent of making you look as good as possible, and I use the same materials that designer brands use. Yo, Italian handmade acetate, stainless steel construction, polarized lenses. We do not cut corners, and they start at $49. Like, designer frames that are as good as quality as ours, you're gonna be paying at minimum $200 to $300. With that amount of money, you can buy 4 to 5 to 6 pairs of Jade Black, build an entire collection, and be set for summer. Boys, we're not gonna drop it there. See, we actually wanna up the ante. We wanna do a little giveaway. See, for the first time ever, we've never done this. We're gonna fly out 2 lucky winners. 2 lucky winners are going to get flown out to New York City. You're going to get your whole weekend paid, your whole trip paid, and you're going to spend 1 day with us here at the office. You're going to get a tour of the office, see how everything works, get behind the scenes. If you want in-person one-on-one styling or business questions, all of that will be handled that day in person for anybody that shops this July 24th. My guy, I'm telling you, these frames are going to fly. I don't want you to miss it. Number 3, use the 2-second rule when you speak. See, you see, when you, those are placeholders. We use them all the time. They call them filler words. And usually we use them in our speech when we're nervous and we're trying to process in our head what to say next. Those filler words detract from your overall speech. It's so much better to slow down, pause your speech, even if you want to add dramatic pauses in between, to get exactly what you want to say across.
Depends on the question.
It has to do with death.
A subject in which you're well versed.
How would you know that?
Only a certain kind of woman wears a backless dress with a Beretta 70 strapped to her thigh.
You see how powerful that was? The composure that man kept? You're not in a hurry, and complete confidence. So next time, if you want to appear this way, use the 2-second rule. Before responding, wait 2 seconds. 1, 2. Obviously say that in your head and then respond. This will add a dramatic pause and it will help you collect your thoughts so you know what to say without stumbling or adding filler words. Number 4, dress up. You already know, I've been saying this for ages, your clothes affects your confidence. You know that feeling that like that first day of school fit that you have it all prepared, you spent all your money on, or when you throw on a tailored suit, you know the feeling that I'm talking about. When you finally throw on that piece that you've been saving for ages to get, that type of confidence, that's powerful. That's the type of confidence you can fake till you make, because even though you don't feel like it inside, you throw on that power outfit, you're unstoppable. And see, what ends up happening is that energy, that confidence that you feel inside because of that clothing ends up reflecting how you carry yourself, how you talk, and other people are gonna assume this dude's just confident. Number 5, give yourself a pep talk. It's estimated that we tell ourselves anywhere from 300 to 1,000 words a minute in our brains. When you're nervous, it's probably 95% negative of everything that could possibly go wrong. I want you to switch. I want you to flip the switch. I want to make sure that 95% of the words that you're telling yourself in your head are all positive. Everything that could go right, everything that's right with you, why you're such a stud, why you're the right guy, why you're the man. I want you to fill your head with that. See, this is a tactic that the Navy SEALs use. That self-pep talk is what they use to get through tough situations. That's how they build their mental toughness. So if it works for them in life or death situations, you better guarantee it's going to work for you when you're just nervous in a social setting. And finally, number 6, go first. Going first gives you power. Going first gives you control. For example, you're at a party, you're sitting in a corner, you see a pretty girl, you make eye contact with the girl, she makes eye contact with you, but now you're waiting for a miracle from God to make that girl come over and initiate conversation with you. Or you got a presentation at work or at school. You are delaying your presentation, letting others go because you're nervous out of your mind. Next time you're in any situation like this, I want you to make the first move. I want you to go first. See, as soon as you go first, everybody else will be in absolute awe and just think, man, this dude is hyper confident to just pull the trigger like that. Even though you're not inside, I want you to act that way, because quickly, that fake confidence, I'm telling you, will turn to real confidence. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget, our Jade Black collection drops this Saturday, July 24th, 10 a.m. Eastern. You ain't gonna wanna miss it. That's it from me today. See you next time.